ECO.50S, the most reliable mag drill on the market. Powerful motor up to 1250 watts. Annular cutting up to 50 millimeter diameter. Twist drilling up to 23 millimeter diameter. Countersinking up to 55 millimeter diameter. Detachable Morse Taper 3 spindle with internal lubrication. High precision slide and rail construction results in faster and more accurate drilling. Integrated oil bath gearbox with 2 mechanically adjustable gears. Clear and easy controls. Excellent ergonomics, extremely easy to handle. ECO.50S Magnetic Drilling Machine.